This is an explainer video for how to add liquidity to the UP ETH position on UniSwap. During the transition to base, we need to ensure there's sufficient liquidity as we're moving to a new network. That comes with its challenges, obviously, and as part of this process, there are rewards available, and this will explain how to receive those. So the pool that we're going to be providing liquidity to is the UniSwap V3 pool on base at a 0.3% fee. And you can certainly add liquidity on Uniswap's platform directly. However, we are using a tool called Gamma, which manages the V3 position for us and ensures that we get the efficiency of V3 without having to each of us be a liquidity manager full-time. So we can kind of step away from that and allow Gamma to do that for us. The incentives are available only through the managed positions on Gamma, so that's something to be careful of. If you provide liquidity on Uniswap directly, you would not receive those incentives. So here is the pool that the liquidity will ultimately end up with, but we're going to do it through Gamma. So the first step would be to, of course, swap your UDT for UP on base. And then once you've done that using this app, you would go to the Gamma pool link. And you can see here, not much is locked. It's showing 0.3%. This is the wide strategy, which you can read about below. So I'm going to go ahead and hit deposit, and we're going to choose double-sided liquidity. I'm going to add 1,000 UP, and we're going to go through some steps here to approve WETH, approve wrap WETH, approve the two, and then make our deposit. Okay, now that we have our deposit, we can even go back to the Uniswap pool and we would see our new changes reflected. If I refresh the page, maybe we can see those. Yep, there is an ad 22 seconds ago for $10, which was me. So I added that, but it was using Gamma's tool. It ended up in the Uniswap position, so just interesting to take a look at that. And now that we have our share, in order to get incentives for doing this, we would need to stake those incentives. The rewards have not been added yet, but you will see those here. And we just go ahead and stake, and we stake the full balance of our LP tokens. So when you deposit, you get back a LP token, and then we need to stake those in order to receive our rewards. So we're going to approve that, and then we're going to stake it. And at this point, we are done. You would probably see a reward APR here. To get back out, in case you want to exit your position, you would first have to unstake from the reward contract, and then you would withdraw your original tokens from your LP position. And that is the steps for adding liquidity to Gamma for our Uniswap position, liquidity pool on base for the new UP token.